Hey everyone, welcome back to the Jewelry Spot. In today's video, this is it's collab time. This time for the Jewelry Making Fun collab, sponsored by Deb Huck, and I have some things that are navy blue. When I read what the requirements were for today's video, I was thrilled because I love blue. That is my birthstone, the sapphire, and so ever since I was a kid, it's just I love most things blue. I guess I can't say all things blue, but that is my favorite color, you know, in different shades of blue. Our challenge today was to use navy, and we can have optional challenges of using seed beads and also like a teardrop. And so I've got multiple things here, and I'm gonna share them. See if I can work with that lighting, if that helps some. Hope there was no glare there, and if there was, I hope it's corrected now. Alright, so and September is coming up, so got a birthday coming up, so that would be an excuse to get myself something else blue. I've got these hoop earrings made from shells. There's I'm sorry, these are not shells, these are lapis. These are lapis gemstone chips. And then there's a little bead, a little rondelle bead at the top. Way at the top there, it's hard to see it. A little rondelle dangling. So I have those. I have this pair. These are also lapis, and I wire wrapped some about 20 gauge wire around the top and turned the little lapis blocks into earrings with silver ear wires. These are wood beads, also hoops, but they're blue wood beads. So I think wood beads are pretty popular right now. I'm seeing them in lots of projects. So I thought that was neat to find that package of beads that came in multicolored, like wood, colored wood. I've got another pair. And these are seed beads as well. So I met that. I used that option to use seed beads, and they've got a little soda light bead at the top there. So I like that. And then I've got these that I believe might meet that criteria of the teardrop. So let's see what everyone thinks about that. If these are teardrops to you. These are more hoops, and I've got them in different sizes. And to me, they're not perfectly round. They're more like teardrops shape. So I think I have met that criteria too with these. And these are seed beads as well. Have them in 4 different sizes. I didn't want to just make them in one. Wanted some variety there. So I think the smallest size is, let's see, 20. These are 20 millimeters, which is like almost an inch, and I think not quite an inch. And so that it's hard to see the teardrop shape in those. We got 25 millimeters. These are 30 millimeters, and these are 40 millimeters. So to me, the ones that are 40 millimeters, they kind of look more like a teardrop shape. They're not exactly round. And so those are my navy projects. Like I said, this is almost September, and my birthday's coming up. I love blue. I love the sapphire birthstone, the color blue. So this was right up my alley. I had fun making all of these different navy projects. And I can't wait to see what the other ladies have made too for the Jewelry Making Fun collab. I'm gonna link all their information below, and then hopefully you will look at all of their videos too to see what kind of beautiful navy things that they came up with. This is Val at the Jewelry Spot. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.